Good morning, another beautiful sunny morning, and I thought I'd do a bit more sewing. So while I'm changing the cotton on the machine, I thought I would show you how you use the automatic needle threader, which I've only just learnt to do, and this is only on the new machine I bought a while ago. And it's not really automatic, it's just assisted, but it's absolutely wonderful. So I thought I would show you the mechanism. There's a handle here, and there's a hook here, and you have the needle as high as it will go, and I've got the foot right down. But as I pull this mechanism down and forwards, right here you can see a little hook. Can you see a little hook there? And it comes forward as you turn it, and it goes through the eye of the needle, and that's what hooks your cotton. So I'm going to have a go. This is only my second go at using it, so I hope you can see clearly. So I pull the mechanism down, and I'm just going to hook it around this this plastic hook on the left. That's the easy part. So you put the mechanism so the little hook comes towards the eye of the needle, and you just put your cotton with your right hand so it gets right up by the eye of the needle, and you can sort of feel it tugging. Don't forget when you let the mechanism go to let your right hand go slowly, but hold it quite tight. And as I put the mechanism back again, it's starting to pull the thread through, see? But I have to let it run through my thumb and finger. And I let it go upwards, and it's still got it hooked. And voila, it's done. I'll show you that one more time. Hopefully I'll get it right again. So your handle goes down, you go around that hook, bring the mechanism forward so the hook's there. I'll just get a better grip, a shorter grip. So I bring it up to the eye of the needle, and I just lift it a bit. Now it looks like I'm going up underneath that plastic bit by my thumbnail. I'm not. I'm trying to hook it. You can feel it. Trying to hook it on the little hook that's through the eye of the needle. And then I slowly let it go again, but I've got to release it with my right hand a little bit. And as it goes up, it's got hold of the cotton, and there it is. So that's how you use it, which I've only just learned. So it's absolutely fantastic. I'm loving it. And so that is on the, I've got this Brother machine. It's a Brother, and you can't see with my shadow now, but it's the, I've got the GS2510, 2510. So it's just a cheap machine. Built-in needle threader, it's called. So there you go. Now you know how to use it. Have a good day. Bye.